All right, taking a look at crude oil, we have a little bit of a pullback today and another test of support around the 20 moving average. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So the key thing here is we have crude oil in this downtrend, and look at where it stopped, right at the 88.6% Fibonacci retracement. We got a rally off that, a breakout of this wedge type pattern here, sharp rally, break through the red 10 moving average, through the purple 20 moving average, and then resistance seen around the orange 50 moving average. That has held so far, leading to this pullback that tests prior resistance as support. So you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days now has held above support around the 20 moving average, including today, establishing a nice shelf and the potential for a rise because this low here at 59.96 generated a higher swing low, and therefore there's the potential for a rising ABCD pattern to trigger, and that triggers above this B point, but the next wave of it, or the next leg up, begins off this C point right here, and of course a break below that C point turns the situation short-term bearish. But for now, we assume this 20 moving average holds, and you can see here's the 50% retracement as well, very close to there. So even if there is a break below there, we also have to watch that level as possible support, because it could be a quick undercut and then a recovery. If the recovery is fast, then it would negate the bearishness of a drop. So where does that leave us? That's the support zone of this small pattern, and then above today's high shows strength, 61.28, confirmed above Monday's high, 61.78, but Monday's high has more significance because it's a 5-day high. So it's resistance of these actually 6 days, because this high here also confirmed. So we have 6 days breakout above yesterday's high of 61.78. That then targets this B point here, 63.03, and an initial harmonic target projection for crude oil would be up here at the 78.6% projection of 65.17, and that just happens to correspond to the 200 moving average here, or near it I should say, at 65.42, and this previous support becomes resistance, maybe becomes resistance again. So together that creates a potential resistance zone from around 65.63 down to 65.17. And that rally would also break out through this downtrend line from the top here from June, and this downtrend line from the top here in July. But first, this 50 moving average has to be exceeded with a daily close above it. All right, that is it for crude oil traders. Have a great week.